session we have already started our exercise 3.5. I hope you have done your all the works. Yes, so let us start. Before starting, I request everyone to please open your term work, classwork and pencil. Please open page number 126. So if you remember, we have already done the second bit, first one, right? So let us continue with the second one. See, the whole bit is exactly same. They have only changed the numbers, right? The question is the same, only the numbers have been different. So let us go with the second one. It's a different model. Please have a look. Page number 126, second bit. Find the difference between 56,435 and 8,76,540. See, directly beforehand they have given the numbers, like supposedly 15 minus 11. But here instead of giving, they have given the question in the form, find the difference between 15 and 11. Simply nothing but we have to do only subtraction. In the first way, see, they have only given subtract 20,000 from 78,000. So yesterday what we have discussed, whenever the number comes like from, then the number which comes after from, that is our minuend, right? Now they have given the question directly, find the difference between 15 and 11. If you see which is a bigger number, 15. So first you are going to write 15 in the column 5 and next time, and then you subtract, you get the result as 4. So let us start. Please open your classwork and copy down question number 2. Second bit, question number 2. Okay? B bit. Yes, see what are the values that are given. 56,435 means we have to subtract what? Subtract 56,435 from 8,76,540. So that 8 lakh, what is this? 8,76,540 is our minuend, and 56,435 is our subtract. Okay. So first, before moving ahead, always remember, always find which is minuend and which is subtract. Then it is very easy for us to find, right? So 8,76,540 is minuend and 56,435 is our subtract. Whenever if we do subtraction, the result which we get, that is our difference, right? So let us start. So let us write first what is minuend. That is 8,76,540. 8,76,540. Now when subtract, that is 56,000. If you see, that is a 5-digit number, right? So in 5-digit number, the highest place is 10,000s place. If you want, you can write your place that is. Let us write from left side. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and this is lakh place. Now this 56, this is 10,000s. Okay, so 5 should move under 10,000 place. Now here 10,000 place is over here. Let us write from here. So 56,435. Now the result which we get, that is our difference, right? Yes. So if you see, 5 is a bigger number. We cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So what is the process? Yes, we have to carry. Now this becomes 3 and this becomes as 10. Now it is very convenient to subtract 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5 will get 5. Now if you come here, see 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Next, 5 minus 4 we get as 1. 6 minus 6, 0. Now 7 minus 5 will get as 2. And if you see, there is no number here. If we assume that there is a 0, so 8 minus 0 is 8. If we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. If you put commas first after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, right? So this is 8,20,105. So difference is what? Difference is nothing but our result, right? So let us write difference is equals to 8,20,105 is our answer. That is our result. Okay. So the same pattern See, C is also like A similar to A, D is similar to B. Again, E is similar to A, F is similar to B. Only the numbers has been changed. The pattern is the same. So, by following the same pattern, you can complete your C and D. So, we can take your homework as exercise 3.5, second bit, C and D. Okay. Yes. Now let us move to the next third one. Subtract 5,07,212 from 7,85,000. I hope you have done with this. Yes. So let me erase. Third one. Please copy down your third question in your classwork. I hope you have done. Okay, let's begin. See, they have given, instead of numbers, they have given in words. So, this first one, our question was, what is the second bit? First one, subtract 20,000 from 78,000. Instead of directly, if they have not given the numbers directly, they have given in terms of words. So, first let us write them in figures. Subtract 5,07,212. So, if you see 5 lakhs, so highest place value is lakh. So let us write 3 lakhs, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So if you convert it, now it becomes 5 will go under lakh place. So 5 lakh. Next, 7,200. This is not a 70,000. This is 10,000 place. So 7 should go under thousands place. So 0. There is no 10,000. So it is 7,000. 5 lakh, 7,212. So 2 should go under hundreds place and 12. 10 will be in tens place, 1 will be in tens place and 2 will be in ones place. This is our first value. Right? Next. From 7 lakh. Again the next number, it is having the highest place as lakhs. So let us write again till lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now we see 7 lakhs. So 7 should go under lakhs place. 7 lakh 85,000. So 85. 8 will go under 10,000 space and 85,000. See, they have not given any value for 100, no value for tens and not for 1. So we'll consider as 0. Okay. So now this is 7,85,000. Now if you read the question, it is very easy, very simple. Subtract 5,07,212 from 7,85,000 means this is our minuend. Right? Yesterday what we discussed, the number which comes after from, that will be our minuend. So if you see, they said subtract 5 lakh from 7 lakh. So 7 lakh is now it becomes minuend and this 5 lakh will turn as subtrahend. Okay? So before directly you need not to write the values, then it will be your okay. You cannot subtract this 7 from out of 5, right? So first check the question, what they have given, what they asked. See, they told to subtract 5 from 7. So 7 is minuend, that is 7 lakh is minuend and 5 lakh is subtrahend. Now let us find out the difference. So for the convenience, let us write minuend is what? Now we got the minuend as 7,85,000. Now what is our subtrahend? That is around 5 lakh. Subtrahend is 5,07,212. Now we can easily find the difference. Yes. Let us write the given numbers in column wise. See, both is having lakhs place. So it is very easy for us. If you want, okay, let us write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. First let us write minuend. Now what is minuend? 7,85,000 minus 5,07,212. Yes. Okay. Now let us start. See, now 2 is bigger than 0. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. Now we will borrow. To borrow, but here is also there is a 0. Again, if you move to other number, this is also 0. So we borrow from 5. Now this, if we cancel, if we borrow from Then if I borrow, this becomes 9 and this again 10. I want to borrow over here, right? So again if I borrow, this becomes 9 and this is 10. Okay. Now we can easily subtract 2 from 10. So if we subtract 2 from 10, we'll get the result as 8. Next, 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now if you see again, 7 is a bigger number which we cannot subtract from 4. So what we will do? Very good, that is borrow. Now this becomes 7 and this is 14. Now easily we can subtract. So 14 minus 7, we will get the answer as 7. Next, this is 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. So 7 minus 0 is 7 and 7 minus 5 is 2. Now if you place comma, that is 2,77,788 is our difference. Okay. First, check your question properly and then you can easily find. If you interchange your values with subtrahend and minuend, you will never get your difference. Okay. Yes. Let's move with the next fourth one. I hope you have written this. Okay. See what is the question they have given here. The same way. Again, instead of numbers, they have given in words. We have to convert them in figures and then we'll find the difference. Find the difference between 6,43,367 and 6,04,207. So now find the difference. So the first value, the first number which they have given in words, that is only our minuend, and the next number which they have given in words, that is our subtrahend. Okay. Simply you convert the values, take the minuend and subtrahend and find your difference in your result. Okay. I hope you will do that fourth one. Yes. Let us move with the next fifth one. By how much is 12,458 bigger than 10,245? I hope you have read it. Yes, I request you to please note down your question number 5 in your classwork. Question number 5, page number 127. Now they are asking, by how much is 12,000 bigger than 10,000? By how much? Instead of the 12,000, okay, let me give an example. By how much is, okay, let's take a bigger number. Suppose there are two students, Ankit and Ankush. Now Ankit got 80 marks. Ankit got 80 marks. Whereas Ankush, he got 75 marks. Now I ask you, who got the more? How many more marks did he got than Ankush? How many more did he score than comparatively to Ankush? So how you will find? Simply you will subtract 80 minus 75. The result you will get as 5. So more extra 5 marks Ankit has scored than Ankush, right? So similar way they have given the numbers 12,000 change and 10,000. Simply we will subtract them. Now 12 is bigger than 10, right? Now 12 will become our minuend and whereas 10 will become our subtrahend. Simply we will find the difference that many times the number is bigger than 10,000. Okay? Let's try now. So now our minuend is 12,458, whereas our subtrahend is 10,245. Okay. Now let us find that as both are having 5 digits, highest place is 10,000 space. Let us write the given number 12,458 minus 10,245. Okay. Now easily we can subtract. Now we can subtract 5 from 8, right? So 8 minus 5, we will get the result as 3. Right? Next, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 will get 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again 0 from 2 will get the same number, that is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we cannot, no need of writing. So this becomes 2,213. So what is by how much time it is bigger? Simply we will first let us write monument. 12,458 is bigger than 10,245 by how much? 2,213. Yes. So by 5 we have taken example. By how many marks you got more? 5 marks. So here instead of 5 we have 2,230. And instead of 80 we have here 12,000, and instead of 75 here we have 10,000. Okay. I hope it is very clear. Okay, let's see what is the next question. What number should be subtracted from 5 lakh to get 1,50,049? I'll just, both the questions I'll give you the hint and you can easily try out. Okay. So I hope you have written. Yes. Once have a look in your term book, page number 127, sixth one. What number should be subtracted from 5 lakh to get 1,50,049? So here they have given us minuend. Now if I give you example like 15, 4. What number should be subtracted from 15 to get 4? This is our minuend. This is our difference. Now what we need to find? Subtrahend. To find subtrahend, what we will do, simply you can subtract minuend minus difference. So 15 minus 4 you will get as 11. So what number you need to subtract? That is 11. If you subtract 11 from 15, you will get the result as 4. So instead of 15, here it's 5,07,427, and the result which is you got 4, here they have given as 1,50,049. So simply you just see, check it. Simply you subtract that 1,50,000 from 5,07,000, you will get your answer. Okay, that is what your subtrahend. And the last one is very easy. See, by how much is the sum of 1,51,263 and 47,856 smaller than 2 lakh? So what they are telling, by how much sum of two numbers they have given. I have not given you the directly number, like supposingly, okay, 23 plus 5. I have just mentioned. Find the sum, by how much the sum of 23 and 5 is greater than 50. Is greater than 50. So if you want to find, first they told to find sum, right? What is the sum? Sum means addition or plus. So the first two numbers you are going to add up. So what are the first two numbers they have given here? 1,51,263 and 47,856. Those two numbers you are going to plug it and you are going to add. Whatever the result you will get, that you are going to compare with 2 lakh, means you have to subtract. Now whatever the answer you get after doing addition, right? That answer you are going to subtract from 2 lakh. Okay, whatever the answer you will get over here, this answer you are going to write and you are going to find the difference. There are two processes. First you find the addition. The first two numbers, given first two numbers, you find out the addition. That by you subtract from 2 lakh. Whatever the answer you get, that is your difference. Means that by that much, the sum of two numbers is less than 2 lakh. Okay, I hope it is very clear. So from this, so 4th and 6th to 7th. Even your question number 4, question number 6 and question number 7. So total there are 4 problems which I have given you as your homework. I hope you will do your work. So soon we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.